What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna go pick up my bike. Let's go. But how am I gonna bring my bike if I take my car? So I'm gonna get an Uber. First of all, I wanna thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't yet, please do so. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I had a comment asking how to turn on the radio without turning on the car. So I'll show you how to do that today. Let's go. All right, so I'm in my car right now. Basically, what I'm gonna do is to start the car, you press the brake and then you hit the start button. That will start your engine. To turn the car power on, press the engine start and stop button once and it will turn red. It will say to start engine, push brake plus the start button basically, so it will start the engine. But we're not trying to do that. It's gonna show me, it's gonna change to accessory mode right there. So right now my radio is playing. I cannot play the sound of the music that's playing right now because of copyright issue. Yeah, so that's how you play your music without turning on the car. At this point, you can also charge your phone. So if you connect your phone, it will charge. You can listen to your music. When you're done, you can turn it off. And to turn it off, you basically press start engine again once. It will bring everything on. And then you press it once more and it will turn it off. Thank you once again for tuning in, guys. I'm glad someone asked that question. If there's anything else you have in your mind how to do in your Honda, feel free to ask, leave it in the comment below. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, support this channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you, guys. Time to go get my bike, call an Uber. All right, y'all, moment of truth. So just came by Jim's motorcycle and let's see if my bike cranks up and I'll be ready to go home.